TLE 9 Cookery, 4th quarter. Our topic for today is all about tools and equipment needed in preparing dessert. First, let us start with what is a dessert. Dessert is usually sweet course or dish as of pastry or ice cream, usually served at the end of a meal. We have two kinds of dessert, the hot and cold dessert. Hot dessert are those baked products, while the cold dessert are those served cold. According to food scientist Stephen Wetherly, our appetite fades after we eat too much of the same type of food. A dessert course tricks our brain into wanting more food. As we eat the savory course, we rapidly reduce our hunger pangs and become full. The pleasure of the first course has passed, the savory and the hot. We have the reason for eating desserts and sweets. Desserts have nutrients too and often regarded as a happy pill because it helps release the happy hormone called serotonin. It also gives calcium, like the ice cream made of milk and cream is a decent source of calcium. Another dessert gives vitamin C. Most citrus fruits are great sources of vitamin C. Another one, it gives or act as antioxidants. The chocolate, especially dark chocolate, provides antioxidants that can help protect against free radicals and oxidations. Energy also give energy, sugar, and carbohydrates. And the last one, dessert gives serotonin. This chemical is produced naturally and helps to regulate sleep, wakefulness, and a wide variety of other biological functions. Everyone should be familiar with the tools, equipment, and utensils needed in preparing desserts. Each tool is designed to perform a specific job in the kitchen. That's why, in preparing a dessert, we need to identify those tools and know what are those functions. Tools and equipment and utensils needed in preparing dessert sweets. One is the measuring cup and spoon. Individual measuring cup for dry ingredients, glass measuring cup for liquid, and measuring spoon for ingredients used in a small quantity. Measuring cup used for measuring dry ingredients in a large amount of ingredients, while the measuring spoon is used for measuring a small quantity of ingredients. Okay, the measuring glass is used to measure the liquid ingredients like the milk and water or oil. Two is mixing bowl, used for mixing ingredients. It comes from the small to large sizes. It made from the plastic, hard plastic, or stainless steel. Number three is the cans, bottles, cartons opener. Used to open a food tin, preferably with a smooth operation and comfortable grip in turning knob. This tool helps to open bottle or can easily. Four is the cutting board, a wooden or plastic board where fruits and vegetables can be cut. This chopping board is very important in preparing a dessert. 5. Double broiler, used when temperatures must be kept below boiling, such as for egg sauces, puddings, and to keep foods warm without overcooking. Number 6 is the funnels, used to fill jars made of various sizes of stainless steel, aluminum, or of plastic. 7 is the graters, used to grate, shred, slice, and separate foods such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. 8 is kitchen knives. We have different knives used for a dessert. This tool is often referred to as cook's or chef's knife, used for peeling and slicing fruits and vegetables. Fruit and salad knife. This is one of the type of the knife used to prepare salad greens, vegetables, and fruits. Another one is the spatula, used to level up ingredients when measuring and to spread frostings. Citrus knife is used to section citrus fruits. That blade has a two-sided serrated edge. Coring knife, used to core, peel, and section fruits and vegetables. Blades are short, concave, without hollow ground. Is the kitchen shears. They are practical for opening food packages, cutting tape or string to package foods, or string to package foods, or simply to remove labels or tags from items. Then is the scraper, a rubber or silicone tools to blend or scrape the food from the bowl, metal, silicone, or plastic egg turners or clippers that is made from the hard rubber. Dessert spoons. Solid, slatted, or perforated, made of stainless steel or plastic. The solid ones are used to spoon liquids over foods and to lift foods, including the liquid out of the pot. 12 is what we call the temperature scales, used to measure heat intensity. Different thermometers are used for different purposes in food preparation. For meat, candy, or deep fat frying. See the attached picture. 13 is the vegetable peeler, used to scrape vegetables such as carrots and potatoes and to peel fruits. The best ones are made of the stainless steel with sharp double blade that swivels. Number 14, whisk for blending, mixing. Used for whipping eggs or butter and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups. The beaters are made of loop steel piano wires which are twisted together to form the handle. The wooden spoons continue to be kitchen essential because of their usefulness for use for creaming, searing, and mixing. They should be made of hard wood. Is what we call the baking pan. One cannot bake without bakeware. Baking pans like loaf pans, cake pans, pie plates, baking sheets, and so on are necessary for baking. Meant. They may refer to a small electrical appliance such as a mixer or a large expensive power-operated appliance such as a range or a refrigerator. Equipment is what we call the refrigerators or freezers, are necessary in preventing bacterial infections from food. And this is also necessary for storing some desserts. Number 2 is the range, a kitchen appliance used for cooking food. Number 3 is the mixers, used for mixing, creaming, beating, and whipping ingredients. The ultimate mixer for anyone who bakes is, of course, a stand mixer. The blenders are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, create, and liquefy all kinds of food. As a rule, never use a piece of equipment until you are thoroughly familiar with its operation and features.